So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, you know, it'll change your life just how it did mine. You know, I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Here's how you can make 2,000 bucks a week doing Uber.
Oh, wow.
This is a guy who made $22.92 doing Uber in a single week. Oh, I think we looked at this one before. You want to read this?
Yeah, so I have been involved in the rideshare industry for quite a while. I still am an active driver on Uber and Lyft platforms with over 6,000 rides. I'm also a driver coach for new and existing drivers in Los Angeles.
Oh, wow. How does he coach drivers?
So this week I'm going to give my answer to the most popular rideshare driver question: how much can I make driving Uber?
Oh, this is Sergio. Is this the guy from the rideshare guy?
Which guy from the rideshare?
This guy. In the comments here. Sergio. Is that him? Because he works at rideshare guy. Like, he says he's a coach. Anyways.
Maybe.
Oh, this was 4 years ago, though. Okay. It's somebody else. So, I guess this guy made over $2,000 in a week.
Damn. Only $34 in tips, though. That's not...
Yeah, it's kind of low.
Yeah, that's not very good.
But this is another week. This was the week prior, only 500 bucks. So you can see, guys, the difference between 1 week to the next week. It can vary drastically. Obviously, he only worked 17 hours as opposed to 44, but still, you can see the hourly, like, he basically worked twice as much, but made almost 4 times as much.
Oh, wow.
So it just depends. Uber is very inconsistent. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad.
Yeah.